Hello! Good morning. Unboxing tayo guys ha. I bought a new computer desk. So i-unboxing. Samahan niyo ako ha. Alright. This is my new webcam. New accessories today. It's a manual. And yeah, that's one box. And this is my wireless keyboard and wireless mouse together. There you go. Let's go. So this is the CPU. I'm gonna open it. I'm excited to install this today. Ooh. They already installed it. That's the Wi-Fi antenna here. It's attached. And this is the this is for the keyboard and the mouse, so that you can connect it through wireless. And this is my pretty CPU, white pretty CPU. Oh, we're gonna put up there on my desk. There. Let's see. It's very heavy. So we can connect this one in. Wood. Connect the wood. So let's go in here. I'm not a computer expert to install, guys. But I have to hope it's fitting. And this is supposedly Wi-Fi. But I can use this one to make my computer faster. The internet in there. So that's install. Let's install there. Oh my goodness.
Can I get the iPad?
Like that. Oh my god, look at this. So pretty. And how fun here? Yeah. So pretty, guys. Now we're gonna open the next one. We have to open this one. This is my monitor. I have to open this mini curved gaming monitor, 34 inches. Wow, this is exciting.
It's a game.
There you go. This is it. See it. You can see it. need help, guys. I need help. This is really. Let's see. Another one. Not a cord. And what's this here? This one. Another one. I have no idea how to do this thing. I'm trying it. So I have a try, have a look. I think I need help to install this thing. Here's our manual. Oh my goodness. Guys, instruction. Don't think I can do this. I will do this for you guys so that I can play my friends' videos. Oh my god, I have to do this. This is the hard thing. Alright. This is the monitor is very sensitive. So we need to be careful with this thing. Ah. Another part. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. How did I do this thing? You have to assemble this. What's this? And what's this? I really need help, guys. I don't know. I don't know what I'm thinking. I don't know what I am thinking. So I have to learn how to do this thing. Oh, why did I order this difficult stuff, huh? I'm gonna do. Help me! I need something. Steps. This one. Ooh. Don't press the. Oh my goodness. I don't have one in my computer. I'm gonna read again the manual. That was hard work. So this is the one I'm gonna put up here. Yeah, there. I'm going to connect here on the side. I'm just following the manual, guys, okay? Hopefully that's all. Okay, guys, it's on! It's on. That's a perfect try. Security sign in. I have to sign in. And this is security sign. Awesome! What I need to do is connect I'm gonna get my look at this, the mouse. Swipe. Same. This is it, guys. I can actually open 25 windows at the same time. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the next latest video. Paalam!